This is my first time attending the conference. I've always followed it along on social media. I've always had colleagues who have been here. It's been a great experience, great opportunity to network, to see people that I've known through other experiences and journeys across the healthcare system, but to come together and to do some innovative thinking and collaborate with one another. It's really been a great 2 days. One of the strengths of NHLC in the past 2 years has been the increasing presence of patient partners as well, hearing that patient voice and bringing together not just system leaders and physician leaders, but those patient leaders as well. And so I think NHLC 2020 is going to augment that even higher.